Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this used Audi Q3 2.0 TFSI Black Edition. Finished in grey and powered by 2-liter petrol engine delivering 180 PS paired with smooth S-Tronic automatic transmission. This Q3 offers confident performance and excellent daily usability. At the front, the LED headlights provide sharp and modern look, complemented by bold black styling pack. And this model features upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels in matte black, which are a standout optional extra. Towards the back, you'll find privacy glass LED rear lights with dynamic indicators and gloss black rear styling accents. The Q3 provides practical boot with wide opening and a reversible floor, making it ideal for weekly shopping, luggage, or occasional trip to the IKEA. Passengers in the back benefit from comfortable seating, good legroom, ISOFIX points, and high-quality materials. The panoramic sunroof brightens up the space, making longer journeys more enjoyable. Up front, the driver is greeted by electrically adjustable front seats, another optional extra, finished with fine materials and offering excellent support. The cabin design is clean and driver-focused with piano black inlays and LED interior light pack. The flat-bottom leather multifunction steering wheel with contrast stitching features paddle shifters for manual control, and behind it sits the driver information system, giving clear and intuitive readouts. On offer is dual-zone electronic climate control, and infotainment system offering crisp audio through the optional comfort and sound package featuring premium speakers. You also get easy-to-use satellite navigation with clear mapping and route guidance, as well as info menu for access to vehicle information and driving data, and telephone connectivity thanks to Bluetooth options for hands-free communication. In other settings, you've got Audi Drive Select, allowing you to choose from multiple driving modes, and feedback from the reversing camera and parking sensors, offering clear visibility and guidance when maneuvering the vehicle. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q3 2.0 TFSI Black Edition. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.